In this video, we will guide you through the process of purchasing an IT.com deal and redeeming the deal code. The process is simple and straightforward. Click the Buy Deal button, followed by the Cart button, and then the Proceed to Checkout button. Enter your billing information, accept the terms and conditions, and click on the Place Order button. On the following page, scroll down and click the Continue to Payment button. Select your preferred cryptocurrency for payment. You can choose between Bitcoin and MariaCoin. Next, select the payment type. Once the payment is complete, enter the transaction details and click the Submit Transaction button. Upon completion of the transaction, your order status will be updated to Completed, and you will receive 2 emails from MariaBuy, an order confirmation email and a deal code email. Please note that orders of this type are processed manually, so it may take some time to receive your confirmation and deal code emails. We appreciate your patience. In the deal code email, click on the License Key link. On the subsequent page, select your desired domain and proceed with the remaining steps. Your license key will be pre-embedded, and at the checkout, you will not be required to make any additional payments.